Welcome back, Fly Vegans. Today I'm going to give you my granny's recipe for hoecakes. And here in the South, some people call them hot water cornbread. First, we're going to need some self-rising cornmeal, some flour, some baking powder, sea salt, and sugar. Mix the dry ingredients together. Now pour in some hot water. I'm going to mix this until it's smooth. I'm going to cook these in a cast iron skillet with a couple of tablespoons of oil. Ladle the batter into a pan as if you would a pancake. I'm going to cook each cake for about 3 minutes on each side. You'll know to flip the cake when you see the bubbles burst and the edges will become golden brown.
Oh yeah! Smash that thumbs up button so you don't forget.
Now just repeat the same steps with the rest of the batter.
Baby, you make my love come down. Ooh, you make my love come down.
You guys, let me know in the comments if you've ever had a hoecake.
It's the best cornbread you'll ever have.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it. And if you're new,
Subscribe! You make my love